Hey there! Welcome to today's video where I'm spilling the beans on what might be Hollywood's best-kept secret peptides. These tiny miracle workers are changing how our favorite stars stay young, and today I'm sharing everything you need to know about them in simple, easy-to-understand terms. Did you know that Jennifer Aniston, who looks amazing at 56, has openly discussed using peptide treatments as part of her beauty routine? Or that Halle Berry credits peptide supplements for helping maintain her youthful energy and appearance at 59. Even Tom Brady has mentioned peptides as part of his recovery regimen that's kept him performing at top levels well into his 40s. What exactly are these miracle molecules? Simply put, peptides are just small pieces of proteins that can help your body repair itself. Think of them as tiny messengers that tell your skin to make more collagen, or your muscles to recover faster. They're like text messages that remind your body to stay young. The basics. What are peptides and how do they work? Peptides made simple. Peptides are just small pieces of protein. While that sounds boring, here's why they're special. They're tiny enough to actually get absorbed by your body, unlike many beauty products that just sit on top of your skin. Dr. Oz has explained peptides as the building blocks that make proteins like collagen, which keeps your skin firm and smooth. When you're young, your body makes plenty of these naturally, but after 30, production drops about 1% each year. By 50, you've lost about 20%. That's when wrinkles, sagging skin, and slower healing really start to show up. How to get peptides into your body? All the ways that work. Creams and serums. The easiest way to start. The most popular way to use peptides is through skin creams and serums. Brands like Olay Regeneris, The Ordinary, and Neutrogena all have peptide products that cost between $15 to $80. Oprah's favorite skincare expert, Dr. Patricia Wexler, recommends looking for products with terms like matrixyl, arginine, or collagen peptides on the label. These work best when applied to clean, slightly damp skin at night when your body does most of its repair work. Reality TV star Kim Kardashian has shared on Instagram that she uses peptide serums every night as part of her skincare routine. A 58-year-old viewer named Susan who tried a peptide cream wrote to me, "After just 3 weeks, my daughters noticed my skin looked firmer, and those lines around my mouth are much less noticeable." Supplements you can take by mouth. Peptide supplements come as pills, powders, or drinks. Collagen peptides are the most common and can be stirred into coffee, smoothies, or even oatmeal with no taste. Jennifer Aniston told an interviewer she adds collagen peptide powder to her morning smoothie every day and has noticed stronger nails and healthier hair. A scoop of collagen powder, about a tablespoon, daily is what most studies show works best. Mary from Ohio, 62, shared, "I've been adding collagen peptides to my coffee for 6 months. My hairdresser was shocked at how much thicker my hair is getting, and my knee pain from gardening has almost disappeared." Medical treatments at the doctor's office. For stronger results, medical-grade peptide treatments are available through doctors, especially those specializing in anti-aging or sports medicine. These can include peptide injections, similar to B12 shots, prescription-strength peptide creams, medical-grade peptide facials and treatments. Suzanne Summers was open about using peptide therapy before her passing and credited it with helping maintain her energy and appearance into her 70s. These medical treatments typically cost $200 to $1,000 per session, depending on the type. The amazing results. What can peptides actually do for you? For your skin, the changes you can see. The most visible benefits happen on your skin. Fewer wrinkles. Peptides tell your skin to make more collagen, which fills in those lines. Women in studies saw up to 27% reduction in eye wrinkles after 8 weeks of using peptide creams. Firmer skin. As we age, skin gets saggy because collagen breaks down. Peptides can boost collagen by up to 30%, making skin look more lifted. Better healing. Cuts and scrapes heal faster, sometimes up to 3 days quicker compared to using regular moisturizer. More glow. Users often notice their skin looks brighter and more even-toned after about a month of regular use. Goldie Hawn, who looks incredible at 79, has mentioned using peptide treatments as part of her routine, saying they help her skin maintain its elasticity. For your body, benefits beyond beauty. Taking peptide supplements can help ease joint pain. Many people report less knee, hip and shoulder discomfort within 4 to 6 weeks. A study with women over 50 found 80% had less joint pain after taking collagen peptides for 90 days. Stronger nails. Brittle, splitting nails often become stronger within a month of daily collagen peptide supplements. Thicker hair. Many women notice less hair in the shower drain after 2 to 3 months of consistent use. Better muscle tone. When combined with exercise, peptides can help your muscles recover faster, making your workouts more effective. Jane Seymour, who still looks fabulous at 74, has shared that collagen peptide supplements are part of her daily routine for maintaining energy and recovering from her dance workouts. For your overall health, what you might not notice but matters. Peptides work behind the scenes too. Improve digestion. Some peptides can strengthen your gut lining, potentially helping with digestive issues. Better sleep. Users often report improved sleep quality after several weeks of use. More energy. Many notice they feel less afternoon fatigue after using certain peptides regularly. Faster recovery. Athletes and active people find their body bounces back quicker from tough workouts. Christy Brinkley, still modeling at 71, has talked about using peptide supplements to maintain her active lifestyle and said they help her recover faster from her garden work and kayaking. Types of peptides. Which one is right for you? Collagen peptides, the most popular kind. These are the gateway peptides that most people start with. They help with skin, hair, nails, and joints. What they are: small pieces of broken down collagen protein, the stuff that makes up much of your skin and joints. How to take them? Usually as a powder you can mix into coffee, tea, smoothies, or even soup. Cost: $20 to $50 for a month's supply. When to expect results? 4 to 12 weeks for most people. Jennifer Garner mentioned in a magazine interview that she's been using collagen peptide powder in her smoothie for years and credits it with helping maintain her youthful appearance. Cream-based peptides, for targeted skin concerns. These are found in face creams, eye serums, and neck treatments. What they do: tell your skin cells to produce more collagen right where you apply them. Popular types: O-arginine, sometimes called Botox in a jar. O-matrixyl, for deep wrinkles. O-copper peptides, for overall skin repair. Cost: $15 to $100 depending on the brand. When to expect results? 4 to 8 weeks with consistent use. Martha Stewart, who looks incredible in her 80s, has mentioned using peptide-infused skincare as part of her daily routine. Doctor-prescribed peptides, the strongest options. These require a visit to a doctor who specializes in anti-aging medicine. What they are: more concentrated medical-grade peptides that often work faster. How they're used: usually as injections or prescription-strength creams. Cost: $200 to $1,000 per treatment or prescription. When to expect results? Often within 2 to 4 weeks. Several celebrities receive these treatments before red carpet events, though most don't discuss them openly. However, some doctors like Dr. Raj on The View have discussed using these treatments themselves. Who should try peptides and who should be careful? Perfect for women over 40. This is when collagen production naturally drops off, making peptides extra helpful. Actress Jane Fonda has mentioned incorporating peptides into her routine in her 70s with visible results. People with joint discomfort. Many report less stiffness within weeks of starting collagen peptides. One viewer, Barbara, 67, wrote, "After 6 weeks of taking collagen peptides, I can garden again without my knees screaming at me. Anyone with thinning hair or brittle nails. These are signs your body might need collagen support. Peptides can strengthen both from the inside out. Those with dull, aging skin. If your skin has lost its glow or firmness, peptides can be a game changer. Many women see noticeable improvement within 1 to 2 months. Be cautious if you're pregnant or nursing. While collagen peptides are generally considered safe, always check with your doctor first. You have seafood allergies. Some collagen peptides come from fish sources, so check labels carefully. You take multiple medications. Check with your doctor before adding any supplements, as some peptides might interact with certain medicines. You have sensitive skin. Start with a patch test when using peptide creams, as some formulations can cause mild irritation. Jean, a 73-year-old viewer from Florida, shared, "My doctor said it was fine to try collagen peptides for my joint pain since I couldn't take anti-inflammatory drugs anymore. Within a month, I could tell a real difference in how my hands felt in the morning." How to get started with peptides today. Simple steps. For beginners, the easiest way to start. Try a collagen drink or powder first. These are easy to find at stores like Target, Walmart, or on Amazon. Brands like Vital Proteins, Jennifer Aniston's brand, Great Lakes, or Sports Research are popular options. Mix 1 scoop, about a tablespoon, into your morning coffee, tea, or smoothie. It's tasteless in most drinks. Cost: around $25 for a month's supply. Add a basic peptide cream. Look for an affordable option like the Ordinary Buffet Serum, $15, or Olay Regenerist, around $25. Apply it at night after washing your face but before moisturizer. Be consistent and patient. Use your products every day for at least 8 weeks. Take before pictures so you can see the difference. Most people don't notice changes for at least a month. Track your results. Keep notes about improvements in your skin, nails, hair, joints, or energy levels. This helps you know if it's working for you. For better results, the next level. Combine different peptide products. For example, morning, collagen supplement in your coffee. Night, peptide cream on your face and neck. Look for quality brands. Price doesn't always mean better, but look for products that list the specific peptides on the label, mention the percentage or concentration, have good reviews from real customers. Consider a consultation. Many medical spas offer free consultations about peptide treatments. They can recommend products specific to your concerns. Diane, 65, from Texas shared, "I started with just collagen powder in my coffee for 3 months. When I saw how much better my nails looked, I added a peptide face cream. 6 months later, people think I've had work done. But it's just my peptide routine." Real people, real results. Success stories. Carol, 68, retired teacher, "I've been using a collagen peptide supplement for 4 months now. My hairdresser was the first to notice. She asked what I was doing differently because my hair was thicker. But the biggest surprise was my knees. I can take the stairs without wincing now. My grandkids are thrilled I can get down on the floor to play with them again." Margaret, 57, office manager, "After seeing peptides mentioned on a morning show, I bought a $25 peptide cream from the drugstore. I've been applying it every night for 3 months. And the deep lines around my mouth have softened so much that my daughter thought I had gotten fillers. I was skeptical at first, but now I'm a believer." Robert, 70, retired firefighter, "My wife started putting collagen peptides in our morning smoothies. I thought it was just another one of her health kicks, but after about 2 months I noticed I wasn't as stiff getting out of bed. Now I remind her if she forgets to add it. Sometimes the simplest things make the biggest difference." Susan, 63, small business owner, "I started a complete peptide routine after my 60th birthday, both supplements and face creams. 3 years later, customers still think I'm in my early 50s. My skin has a glow it hasn't had in years, and I have the energy to keep up with my business. The investment in peptides has been worth every penny. Why peptides are worth trying. Peptides aren't just another beauty trend. They're based on how our bodies naturally work. When you give your body these important building blocks, you're supporting its own repair systems. What makes peptides different from so many other anti-aging products is that they work with your body's natural processes. They're not covering up problems or temporarily plumping skin. They're actually sending signals that help your cells function more like they did when you were younger. As Dr. Ellen Smith, a dermatologist to many celebrities, says, peptides are one of the few anti-aging ingredients that have solid science behind them. They're not a miracle, but with consistent use, most of my patients see significant improvements. The best part? Unlike many treatments, you have options at every price point, from $15 drugstore creams to high-end clinical treatments. You can start small and see how your body responds. Remember, aging is a privilege denied to many. Peptides aren't about trying to look 20 again. They're about helping you feel your best and most vibrant at any age. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more simple, practical health information. See you in our next video. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement or skincare regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or take medications.